we've spun a prop on the outboard. You hear that? When it revs up, but it don't go nowhere, the shaft is spinning inside the propeller. There's a rubber bushing that connects the spline shaft to the inside of the propeller, and it is stripped. So when we rev it up, we don't go anywhere. So we're just going to idle along, get to the dock, go to West Marine, and buy a new propeller. So here's the new propeller for the dinghy, and you can see there's no splines in it. The new propellers come with hub kits for various size spline shafts. So we're going to install this hub kit in the center of the prop, and then install the prop on the dinghy motor, and that'll solve our problems. So, and we do this with two hands. I'll show you how she goes. Now I got to get this Carter key out and spin the nut and pull the old prop off. Nice being able to sit here on the swim platform and do this. Don't drop the nut. Don't drop the thrust washer. Oh yeah, you can see the guts all chewed up in this one. It's no good. So this is the propeller off our Mercury 9.9. And as you can see, the guts have spun. The rubber bushing is bad. So when you rev it up, the propeller don't spin, just the bushing does. There is not, believe it or not, another Mercury 9.9 prop available in the Florida Keys. Of all the freaking motors you'd think there'd be a prop in stock for, there is not for Mercury 9.9. So what I'm going to do is called the Bahamian Repair. And that's said out of respect to my Bahamian friends who are very crafty. I'm going to drill through the side of the prop, through the hub, into the bushing. Tap the hole, run a set screw. I'll do that from 3 sides, and that'll hold it while I wait for a prop to be delivered. So let's get to work. Alright, we've drilled the... Now, we just got to tap all these screw holes, 3, so we got them from 3 equal directions, and run these screws in to compress against that center shaft. So let's get that done. And there she is, my Bahamian Propeller Repair, where I've spun the center. This isn't perfect. It's not going to last forever, but it'll last until the new propeller arrives. Now I'm going to take this cutoff wheel and trim all these screws flush. They are super tight, so I'm not worried about them coming loose. And there's the finished product. That should hold temporarily until I get a new prop. But if it holds fine until I get a new prop, I'll save it as super duper last minute when there's nothing else left, emergency backup prop. And the prop is successfully installed, so let's take it for a test drive. All right, let's see how she does.